Show from the library. I'm going to show you our first story time in a bag for summer. We're going to make kindness rocks. From home, you will need something to decorate your rocks with. It could be crayons, markers, paint, sparkles, whatever you've got. You'll also need your craft packet, which you can pick up at the lower floor desk of the library. Inside your craft packet, you will find your supplemental slip, which has book recommendations, songs, and an early literacy tip. You're also going to have your rock. I've made it perfect for decorating because I put a layer of primer paint on it. I wanted to make kindness rocks because our theme for summer reading is all together now, and kindness rocks inspire creativity and spread happiness. You can keep your rock to remind yourself to be kind to others, or you can give your rock to someone who might need inspiration, or you can hide it in your neighborhood for someone to find. No matter what you do with your rock, you will spread kindness and brighten someone's day. So on the white area of the rock, you can draw a heart, you can decorate it however you like. You can also write some words to inspire people, and on mine I'm going to put "Be kind." And there you have it, my kindness rock, which I have "Be kind" and a little picture of me. I have 6 book recommendations and an early literacy tip. And the tip is, when reading together, families can support early language and comprehension skills by offering short sentence stems or sentence starters to help children share what they are thinking and learning. An example includes, "I remember." So invite your child to use this sentence stem to talk about personal connections they are making. You can begin by connecting to your own experience, another book, or something in the world around you. So an example would be, "The characters are at a playground. I remember when we went to the playground. You played on the swings. What do you remember?" And then your child could talk about their connections. The first story I'm going to recommend is "I Walk with Vanessa," a story about a simple act of kindness by Kara Scoett. This is a perfect book to share with your child because it has no words, and so they can practice the pre-reading skill of figuring out what's going on in the story by looking at the pictures. So basically what's going to happen is there's a new student, Vanessa, and she gets teased by a boy right there, and then another person, this girl right here, decides to help. The drawings are very cute, and the girl that helps Vanessa stands up for what is right. It's a simple but powerful story of how one person can inspire an entire community to do what is right. The next book is "Be Kind" by Pat Zietlow Miller. And this book explores what it means to be kind. Any act, big or small, can make a difference and help a friend. And I think that it's just good examples and reminders about what kids can do to be kind. So then we have "The Kindest Red," a story of hijab and friendship. This is by Olympic medalist Ibtihad Mohammed. It is a sequel to "The Proudest Blue." It continues the story of Asiya and Faiza's journey of hijab. It explores friendship and how kindness can reach far beyond your wildest dreams. And then we've got "Hugs?" by Charlene Chua. How many hugs is too many? This girl has had enough. The story shows how important hugs can be to our happiness. Even the most unlikely of creatures sometimes need one, but it doesn't mean that they're always welcome. Each spread also allows children to guess what my animal might be coming next, so it's pretty fun. There's connections here to compassion, tolerance, and empathy, and a terrific opportunity to discuss our boundaries. Then we've got How to Change the World in 12 Easy Steps by Peggy Porter Tierney. This book was inspired by Eva Moses-Kor, a child survivor of Auschwitz. She would talk to young people and tell them that they have the power to change the world. Easy, simple actions like picking up a piece of trash, tidying a bedroom, or accepting someone who is different can make a big difference. And the illustrations are very sweet. Finally, we have Llama, 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 Time to Share by Ann Dewdney. So learning kindness starts at home. This is a great book for young children that have trouble sharing their toys. As always, Dewdney gives a delicious rhythm and rhymes that makes learning fun. Now I'm going to share our songs. For our story times, which are going to be on Fridays at 10:30, we're going to have the same opening and closing song. And the opening song is Bread and Butter. And I like to start either patting my lap or whatever you've got, like this, and you get a rhythm going, and it goes, bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as fast as we can. Hello! Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as slow as we can. Hello. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as high as we can. Hello. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as low as we can. Hello. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as loud as we can. Hello! Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as quiet as we can. Hello. And our second song will be our closing song during story times. And this is called May There Always Be Sunshine by Jim Gill. It begins with the first 4 lines from a Russian folk song. May there always be sunshine. May there always be blue skies. May there always be mama. May there always be me. And then children help Jim Gill come up with other wishes. May there always be colors. May there always be grapes. May there always be farmers. May there always be dads. What wishes do you have? Add them to the song. I would add, may there always be libraries. I hope you enjoyed learning about kindness, and I hope making a kindness rock brought you joy. Don't forget to pick up your Storytime to Go at the lower floor desk of the library. And please join us on Wednesday, June 21st at 6 p.m. outside on the lawn for Reptile Man. See you there.